I just want to do a quick video on FFIE as we are approaching big support coming in here. This is when the last run happened, so just to keep you guys looking, a lot of people trade like this, and they see that. So could this be a nice, beautiful double bottom bounce? Very well could. But I'm also seeing something that I really like to use and enhance it with this strategy of the double bottom that everyone loves. I don't usually look at just that alone. I try to look at my system too. As you can see, this bottom band here is going to give you the best buy signals. As you can see, also, when price got close to it, look what happened. It just had a massive move up. But the main thing I want to show you guys is look at the candles away from the EMA 5. When candles don't touch the EMA 5, as you can see, they are magneted to it. So when candles are going away from it and you haven't touched it in, let's say, 5 to 7 daily candles, it can get quite long. So right in here, let's just say, you get these little moves up, you get nice, decent 8 to 10% regions. But if we're looking at this candle right now, the move up to the EMA 5 is a conservative 13%. The 10 is a 20%. And then if we go even higher, the EMA 20 is a 60%. And the reason why those are so important because those are conservative price targets. I love EMA 5 and 10. EMA 20 is a little harder as it can take a little longer. Anything that don't touch this EMA 20 in 2 months is considered long. The EMA 5 in 7 daily candles is long. EMA 10 in 1 month is long. So this would be, but it can go right past all that and everything. What I really like about this is this trade right in here that's coming up is you can have a very defined risk versus reward. You could say, okay, we know the bottom is 267. We try to get close to it. The low of this candle today, it says 271. So we got very close to it. So you can literally look at this and be like, okay, my risk versus reward is amazing right here. We're getting to a double bottom bounce here. I can put my stop loss probably, around a 10% loss down from this area. And the room up, well, the risk versus reward, we have a decent about 15% to the EMA 5, 28% to the 10, and then a 58% to the EMA 20. So how I would like to look at this is, once this goes up and starts to, let's say it goes up to the EMA 5, I want to trail and stop this. If I have an average, I want to get as close as possible to 267. I think 271, 268, 269, 270, something in there. I think we'll, try to barely touch it. It might not just touch it here. It might just go up from here. And then you can, as price rises, I don't want to lose those gains. So what I want to do is I want to trail stop it and ride it up there. I don't want to see it go up and then just plummet down from this down bottom. Because a lot of the times what happens is we get buyers that are just like me. Everybody can see this clearly. Plus, with my system is we haven't touched this EMA 5 in quite some time. Usually price magnets to it. So we have an easy 15% gain potential and more in the making here. So this is a very curious one right here. This is FFIE. And I could show you countless and countless of times of the A+ setups. And when we get close to this bottom band, we get this massive move up. When we get distance away from the EMA 5, it makes it more better. Like right in here in this example right here, we haven't touched the EMA 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. We haven't touched this. We're near the bottom band. And look at the move up you get consistently with this strategy. 46% returns one single day, but you don't want to give that back, as what happens is these EMAs act as resistance, and look at it, it went well below your average here, so that's why taking the profit is very nice, guys. So this is FFIE. You have a massive double bottom bounce here. We went to a high of $10 and we're all the way back down to $2 right now, guys. This could be a very nice setup. And like I said, trading is never perfect. It's never, this has to work and all that. Have a stop loss. If it don't work, at least you played a high probability setup. At least you didn't buy FFIE, when it hit this EMA 20. When all my Discord members, and if you're in my Discord member, if you're in my Discord, you know how to set up your chart. You can join anytime. I'd love to help you guys, but we know not to buy at this EMA 20, as that's where algos trigger a lot of the new buyers, and they start selling it below. We want to trade it below the EMAs like this, right in here. We had that clear EMA 5, and we had that clear distance, and then we're also looking at a technical standpoint of a double bottom bounce. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. as I'll if you have an Android, you will have to use your computer, your phone's browser. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts, never message you, DM you, or friend request you. Read the testimonies of a lot of people in here. But if you hit the server shop in the top left or hit any of these subscriptions channels, I recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus, as that is $12 a month and you get access to all the subscriptions, $11.99. If you do it on your computer, it's a lifetime. You're in. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge you an iOS fee because it's discourse through the app. But you're going to get day trading education where you get lots of videos you can watch here, swing trading education. This one in particular, the indicator video, will set up your chart to look like mine, of where you can see the EMA targets, this lower band customized setting, along with the time distance rolls, and this below here, this KDJ that you would look into. So hope you guys like that. This is FFIE double bottom bounce along with an EMA 5 conservative target, and then trail and stop it, and then like I said, 10% stop loss below this big line here. And that concludes the video for today. Like I said, join the Discord if you guys want to see more alerts just like this, and see videos and all that. And I'll see you guys in the Discord. Like this video, subscribe, and comment.